Traders, FS Speculante here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, to me, the pound dollar really looks like this running flat or expanding flat scenario is correct. On the euro dollar, there is a possibility that this is an A, this is a B, and it goes down for a C before it actually goes back up. But to me, the pound dollar really doesn't look like that is going to happen. I still believe that this is either going to go up to make an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe this five waves up is a wave one. I think this is a big running flat wave two. That means that we're already in a wave three. So this should be a one of three, a two of three, and we should be in a wave three of three. So as long as this weekly time frame continues to make higher highs, higher lows, and it doesn't break the series of higher highs, higher lows, that's going to confirm that we're still in a wave three and that we should still be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, our last swing is actually technically way down here. There is no reason whatsoever on this daily time frame to think that this uptrend is over. We don't have a break of structure, we don't have a lower high, we got a little bit of a fib bounce, but that doesn't really tell us much. I would say there's a pretty good chance that this will keep on trending up, especially keeping the weekly, monthly time frame in mind. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the last structure level on the 4 hour is right here. And as you'll notice, that has not been broken either. So the 4 hours in an uptrend, the dailies in an uptrend, the weekly and the monthly are all in uptrends. Yes, this was a pretty strong move down yesterday, but does that really prove that it's going down? No break of struts or anything telling me it's going down, so I definitely would still be looking for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we had a really strong move down yesterday, but none of the higher time frames have given us any reason whatsoever to think the uptrend is over. Every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. I have my Fibonacci extension on here because the euro dollar really looks like it could be a wave A, and that this actually could be 1, 2, 3 up for wave B, and this could be a wave C. And you'll notice that we already do have a little bit of a break of structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame. I honestly would not be surprised at all if this is a running flat and if this thing just kept on trending up from here, especially keeping all the higher time frames in mind. This was probably just a big old bear trap yesterday, and it's probably just going to keep on trending up if I had to guess. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.